What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a method of getting vanilla extract for incredibly cheap than what the market usually charges for you. So if you're going to go to the store, you're probably going to spend a lot on vanilla extract only to get a couple ounces. As I'm showing you right here, I'm just going to pull up an 8-ounce bottle by McCormick, and you can see it's $26.67 for 8 ounces, and that is a hell of a lot of money for something that you're going to go through in likely a week or two. If you're like me and you bake a lot or you eat a lot of Greg Doucette French toast, you're going to know that it requires a lot of vanilla extract day in, day out. So just 8 ounces for $26.67 is really not going to cut it. There's got to be a better way, right? And luckily, there is a better way, otherwise I wouldn't be making this video. Now, I'm on Amazon. You can find this in your ethnic aisle at your grocery store if you'd like, but Amazon has the cheapest price from what I've seen as far as other sellers and inside the store, but it really won't make much of a difference if you don't like Amazon. And you're actually going to search up Mexican vanilla extract. So, and it is pure vanilla extract too, if that matters to you. Some people, it doesn't really matter in the end for me, but some people it does. But you can see here that it's 2 whole liters of vanilla extract, which is 67 ounces. And this price is cheaper than the McCormick extract in a whole. It doesn't even matter the ounces. The McCormick extract was like 24, and this is 15 for 2 liters. And I've actually ordered this product myself. I've been ordering it ever since I discovered it. As far as taste goes, smell, quality, it looks exactly like vanilla extract. And this leads me into another life hack as well. Literally any product that you could find in the ethnic aisle and the American aisle, it's always going to be cheaper in the ethnic aisle for some reason. And they usually have it in bulk as far as spices or anything that you use in the kitchen as far as that goes. So if you are interested in purchasing the cheapest vanilla extract possible with no quality issues, I linked it at the top of the description below. Like I said, if you use vanilla extract a lot or even at all, I highly recommend doing this. It's going to save you a lot of money. And just in case you weren't convinced with how good of a deal it is, I mapped it out right here, and you could see the difference of $3.37 an ounce versus 22 cents an ounce for the vanilla extract from the Mexicans. So if you aren't convinced by now, I don't know what will. Go hit that link at the top of the description and get the cheapest vanilla extract on the market right now. If you found this tutorial helpful today, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.